Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What follows is a guide on how to apply for a smart driving license. Visit NTSA TIMS portal sign-in page or register if you do not have an account. At the login page, enter your ID number as the username and password you used when you created your account. Click Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code and click Sign In. Click on the Driving License tab. Click on Apply for Smart DL. If all your details are correct, click the Next button at the bottom of the page. Click the Pay button. You will be redirected to the payment page. Select your payment method, Pay, and click the Complete button. After clicking the Complete button, you will be redirected to a page with your invoice. Click the Print button and then click Save to download a PDF version of the invoice for security and reference purposes. After downloading, go back to the web page and click the Submit button. Select the collection location and book the date when your biometrics will be taken. Green indicates available booking day and time, while red indicates that booking time is not available on that day. You are done. You can always change the booking time.